Why is it rolling around?
What is that?
It's called this.
What is it called?
It's called vegan pancakes.
Vegan pancakes?
Yes. But I was making a dump mix.
A dump mix?
Yes. Because like this. It's called like this. You see this? But you see my finger doing this? Watch this.
Alright, can we cook them now?
But after we put them in a pan, we need some more salt in there.
No salt.
Ooh.
What are you doing now?
Ready for it.
What is that in your hand? What is that called?
I'm a spatula.
What do you do with that spatula?
You just flip it and flip the pancake. And it goes on the wall like Daddy Pig.
No.
What was that on my hand?
Where? Did you touch the grill?
I touched the water and it was on my hand. Is it done yet?
No, not yet. It's not ready to flip. Let me see, wait. Hey, it's not ready to flip.
It's ready to flip.
No, not yet.
Tea.
Alright, so how you can tell that it's ready to flip? Go up under it a little bit.
Okay.
Go, wait, up, and then lift it up a little bit so we can look under and see if it's ready to flip. Almost ready. Wait. You almost ripped it.
Almost ripped it?
Yes. I gotta coach you on how to flip it. Wait. I just said wait. You gotta listen. I know you're excited. Wait.
Whoa, this looks magic.
Magic?
And
What?
this is sharp.
It's hot. You better.
Right here.
It's hot. Don't touch it because it's been touching the fire on the grill. Okay. Now what you want to do to flip it, you want to go all the way up under it. So go all the way.
Okay.
Put it all the way up under. Keep going. No, don't flip yet. Go. Just scoop it under, like a shovel, all the way. Keep going. Push.
Ooh, ha!
Now flip it. No, turn it with your hand. Oh, almost. Let's try one more time. All the way up. No, wait. You're gonna rip it. You gotta go all the way up under.
Okay.
All the way up under. Keep going. Keep push fast.
Okay.
Push fast. Push it. Now flip it over like this. Look. Let me show you. Look. All the way up under and over.
Woohoo!
Yay! Who's the man?
Daddy!
No, you the man.
Yes!
So Leo's the man.
It smells delicious. I need to wait 4 minutes.
Nice. Is this the first time you making pancakes?
Mm-hmm. Yep. But I'm quite tired. I'm sitting right here.
No, I don't want you to sit right there. I want you to you're not supposed to get comfortable near the fire.
But I'm watching the fire.
Okay, now what are we going to put it on? Let's put it on a plate.
Put it on a plate?
Yes, a
I got
plate.
this thing.
Put it on a plate. Hold the plate.
Take.
So now what you want to do, Leo, you want to put the plate right there next to the fire. It's your spatula.
You want a spatula?
Yes. Now scoop it up under real fast like I taught you. There you go. Lift it up. There you go. That's my boy. Now just flip it off. Flip it. Flip it over. No, not like this. No.
This?
Yes. There you go.
I like that.
You like that? Like that. That's how you can see that it cooked on the other side. Perfect.
This thing is hot.
Wait, don't you touch that.
Daddy,
You will
it
burn
was
your
smoke.
hands off. Don't touch
There's
that.
smoke on.
Yes, that's because it will. It will. Do you want your hand to look like that top of that pancake?
Like a thumb?
Yeah, you
Or
just
like-
have thumbs like this. Look at my hand. No thumb.
See,
You gonna burn it off.
You don't have a thumb?
You won't have no fingers either. You're just gonna be like this.
But I have a thumb.
You do. Now let's take that pancake and get away from the fire.
Okay. Mmm. That tastes good, Daddy. Now for the other side.
So how's that that pancake you just made?
Yep.
How's that vegan pancake?
Mhm. Yeah.
Is it good? Why are we vegan, Leo?
Because we're vegan. That's why we don't eat animals.
That's right.
That's why because Cooney's got almond milk.
Almond milk? Because we don't eat animals. Animals are our friends. Animals have spirits and souls. And we don't like to eat animals. Because we love animals. And animals love us.
Animals, we love them. I love them. Ugh,
Work it, son.
I will. I did it.